This is Colin with Anytime Fitness in Kalamazoo on Stadium Drive. Today what I have for you is I'm going to show you how to make deep dish, low carb, keto friendly pizza. I have 3 pounds of ground pork. Ground beef is totally fine too, so you want to make sure that you pre-cook it in the skillet. Okay? After it's pre-cooked in the skillet, in the crock pot, it goes. Alright. Now, with keto-friendly meals, you want to try and have as high amount of fat as possible because that is the energy source we are wanting our bodies to utilize, because that's what keto is. So after that's in there, I just make sure I kind of spread it out, break up the rest of the big chunks. Okay, so after the meat is equally distributed throughout the crock pot, get some of your cheese ready. Italian cheese, hey, pizza's from Italy, I mean Italy. So that's the type of cheese we should use, right? Yeah. Also, I mean, I generally try and look for a higher fat content. Italian cheese usually does have a little bit more fat in it. Again, with keto diets, that's what we're going for. So what you do now is you go ahead and you spread it over the pizza. And you want to make sure that you get a nice, good layer, totally immersed in cheese. Okay, so after you get your layer of cheese, you don't have to use this. I like to include it. I got a block of spinach. So in this block that you get from Aldi, it's 99 cents of frozen spinach. It's only 30 calories and only 1 net carb. So very important with a ketogenic diet. If you're doing it right, you still need to be eating your vegetables. It's not an excuse to not eat your vegetables, or else your cholesterol is going to skyrocket and a whole bunch of bad things could potentially happen. Keep getting your vegetables in. This is an easy way to get my vegetables in. So then I dump my spinach in, and then again I'm trying just to distribute that on top of the cheese. Like so. And then, just get it as good as you can. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna add the sauce, okay? So, I do about 8 ounces of tomato sauce, and I just kind of pour that across. That's half of this can. And then I do about 6 ounces of tomato paste. And then just spread that over as well. But totally worth it. I can honestly say I've made this a couple times now, and it is probably my favorite keto meal. And honestly, when I'm not doing keto, I'm still gonna do this just because it's really good. So now I'm gonna add the final topping of Italian cheese. Now this is just how it's gonna cook. So you can cook the keto deep dish pizza on low for 6 hours or high for 3 hours. And then at the end, what you can do is you can add your other ingredients. So I also have some uncured, again, like hormone-free, preservative-free pepperoni that I got off of Amazon, and so I'm gonna cut that up and put that in as a topping. And then I also have mushrooms that I'm gonna cut up after this is cooked and throw in there as an additional topping too. Mushrooms are very keto friendly in that they are low carb and they're very nutritionally dense, and so it's a good way to get the necessary vitamins and minerals that you need in your diet without having a lot of carbs. So we're gonna set it to high for 3 hours and then come back in and check, see how it looks. So after 3 hours of cooking it on high, this is what we have. Looks delicious, can't wait to eat it. What I'm gonna do now is add the mushrooms that I mentioned. So I'm just gonna throw those in there. And then I have my pepperoni, which I've sliced up. And then you just mix it all together. Just stir it up good. Get all that tomato sauce, all those mushrooms mixed together, the cheese. And so that is your crock pot, low carb, keto deep dish pizza. The recipe that I gave you should be good for about 5 to 6 meals. And so what I do is I'll just distribute them in a couple different containers, and now I got 6 meals that I can eat throughout the week. Mwah! Chef Colin.